Hello, good evening, everyone. I just came home from um, a very long day, and I just want to inform you about the changes that I have experienced in going to Malacanang. So, before last January of, no, 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 not January, but was that 2022, I filed a DSWD case asking President BBM to help me because I am alone and I need his help, the government, to go back to where I belong, teaching. So another year, another event happened. So after 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, after 4 years, there are a lot of changes that comes with the filing of complaints with 888. So you have to complain from in the 888 with a valid reason. You will be entertained. So ngayon, um, I know the place. I know. I've been there. So if I have been there once, ba't ganyan? Saan ako nakatingin? If I have been there once, mababalikan ko siya. But this time, so it should be in Gate 1. Gate 1 of the Malacanang Palace. Dapat. So, I Google map and then I found it and then it is sarado. So from gate 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the gate of the Malacanang Palace. 7 is adjacent to St. Paul college or school. I don't know if it's school or college. So, it's like a triangle. It's like rotonda. That as bago ka makarating sa gate 1, it should be straight. And then sabi nung sundalo, I don't know the name because I'm really mad at him. Napakayabang niya. Kanina naka-duty siya doon, napakayabang. Kasi I've presented my letter for 888 and then 72 hours have passed na I need to call 888. I believe hindi ako iintindihin kapag ako ay nag-dial ng 888. So, what I decided is to go to Malacanang. So, nagpunta ako sa Malacanang to check the status of my complaint with the two government officials. One, my head, who is the SDS of Meycauayan City, and the the barangay captain of Mahabang Parang. So there are two complaints that needs to be answered by them because I need money. It is my hard-earned money for the was that barangay captain. I had an occupant here that doesn't pay me before it's 2023. So if it's a rent and they didn't pay, I have the list, I have the evidence, but the barangay captain didn't just listen to me. Otherwise, he make laugh of me because he knows I'm crazy. Now, that's the thing, that I am crazy. I am crazy because of the things that happens to my life that I don't expect happens to me. Anyway, let's just go to the facts of changes in filing complaints about someone. Now, the other one is my head. I am teacher 1 in Calvary Elementary School, and then I have my school head, Marilu Alcanar from Ubihan, Meycauayan, but I don't believe she came from Meycauayan. So, above her is SDS, the was this superintendent. So I filed a complaint because she gave me an order to go back to school after 30 days of being absent. Pardon me because I'm really, really tired. Okay? I have a blotter for Miss Charlene May Balasbas, um, that of the scam that she put me into to a very bad situation because I'm expecting the money from her, and I gave all that she needs to move forward and have a financial stability, but she doesn't want to listen. Instead of listening to me and appreciating what I am doing to her, she um, she is disrespecting me by saying things that I don't want to hear. After all the favors, and then the words came back and forth, and it really hurts. Okay, so it's okay, and then she is asking me to jail her. So the your wish is my command. So I am going to do that, not now, but I'll just reschedule it after this incident. Okay, now um, um, so ayun, instead na diretso sa gate 1. So I reached gate 1. Actually, sa action center ako nagpunta, and that's the filing. I've done the filing January 14 in Santa Maria, Bulacan, wherein I am supposed to talk to the mayor. But the secretary, I think, oh, the representative of Mayor Omeng said that I am not for the mayor's level. I should have to take the attention of our president, Ferdinand E. Marcos. So what I did was make an essay or narrative that explaining my complaint about these two officials, because all both rooted to money. Why money? I am unemployed. I don't have a job. So if I don't have a job, how can I eat? Okay. So what I am doing now is making a bed sheets, curtain if you want, and then seat cover for me to be able to um, get on with my life, because I need to eat. Okay, I need to eat, I need to sleep, I need to take a bath. So there are a lot of expenses that I am expecting, and a lot of bills to pay. So all the things, all the money that I have spent helping other people's problem, and now my problem is piling up. Even the mahabang parang waterworks lend me money because they feel me. Empathy is the thing. Okay, so before filing complaint in 888 or asking help from the president's office is really, really easy. It's like just you just have to leave the complaint, and they will review it. But now it's really high tech. Maybe they are transforming from manual to automated, and then you have to register through an computer like, but so I did. So a lot of craziness going on. I was wearing shorts, so it's not allowed to wear shorts if you are going to go to see the president, BBM. So I am prepared to talk to my boss, BBM, Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos. Please hear me. Hear me that I am really needing your help, because I am a government employee, and therefore I need your help because of the things that I have indicated in the letter. I am going to pray, and I'll be asking all my friends to pray that you give prompt and very nice attention to what I am complaining about. Okay, I am I am very, very glad that the letter has been acknowledged, and the bar or key, the barcode or the QR code have been um, assigned to the letter that I sent to you. Okay, before that, I don't have a laptop working because it has been captured by Charlene Balasbas, and now she returned it with all the mess that she's done into my computer, so I can't hold it and then pakinabangan because it's not working for me. I am very, 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 very makulit and stubborn because if I want to, I want to. Okay? So, kailangan po ng dress code. And then, kung may complaint ka, have it ready para dire-diretso na. In my case, nagsulat ako, sulat kamay, just to make him understand what is going on. Now, 72 hours have passed and I am expecting there must be a transfer of whatever because she is from San Jose, no, from Pampanga. And when Ma'am Jane is here, the motorcycle have been so good because the hands of my brother is really green. Magaling siyang magtanim. So having said that, just to wrap it up, the operation or the procedure in filing a case starts with the action desk, and then it would be approved by, depending on your case, it would be approved by the other buildings people. I don't know who is, but the guy is I think brother of Castor. Okay, so that's for all now, saying that there are a lot of changes in the procedures in the Malacanang area, and I thank you so much. Bye.